Hey everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss the urinary bladder. So the bladder, as you can see, is connected to the ureters, and the ureters are going to carry urine from the kidneys down and into the bladder. So a ureter on each side. You also can see the ureter openings, and this is where the urine is deposited into the bladder. If we look at the inside of this bladder, you can also see this mucus coat, which is going to line the inside of the bladder, as well as this muscle layer that is going to comprise the outermost part of the bladder. So, because of this is going to help squeeze the bladder to help us to remove urine as needed. Speaking of which, we have two sphincters, which again are those muscles that are used to squeeze tube like structures within the body. And we have one internal sphincter, which is a smooth muscle. So this is controlled primarily by the brain that is going to tell the bladder to squeeze shut as it's filling with urine, but also to relax and open back up when it's time to urinate. And then we also have an external sphincter, which is going to be used primarily from voluntary muscles that you are going to control. So, for example, there may be times where you need to use the bathroom and your internal sphincter wants to open up. However, you're telling your external sphincter not to open up because you're looking for a bathroom. With that said, on average, the bladder is going to be activated around 300 milliliters of urine, but you can hold it up to three times more than that. However, if you hold too much, eventually, theoretically, the bladder could burst, but most likely what's going to happen is these sphincters are going to just open up and you're going to pee your pants. You see here the prostate gland. This is specific to the male urinary system, or really reproductive system, but you can see that the prostate is going to surround the urethra in men, so it can deposit additional substances for semen. However, in this case, you can just see that it's there, so therefore we're looking at a male. Um, in the next video, we will be talking about the urethra and the different lengths of the urethra. And in males, it's a little bit longer, so we can have additional accessory organs like this that surround it. So if you don't see this again, that's why. So you're probably looking at a female if that's the case. But if you have any questions at this time, please let me know.